Welcome back to Cooking with Tam and Tram.
Today we are making Vietnamese alphabet soup. It is super easy to make and it will be ready to eat in no time. It only requires a handful of ingredients and it is so light and comforting. Also, it'll be great for kids. So y'all, let's get right to cooking.
In a pot, heat up 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and brown 1 pound of ground beef and add in minced garlic and shallots along with salt and pepper and cook for a few minutes. Make sure to break up the ground beef. Then, add 8 cups of chicken stock and 2 cups of water to the pot and bring it up to a boil and skim and remove any foams that float to the top of the broth. And then, to season the soup, give it a taste test and adjust it to your preference. For us, we added a half tablespoon of oyster sauce, a sprinkle of MSG, which is optional, and a dash of fish sauce. And now, add in 4 ounces of alphabet pasta and boil your soup until the noodles are al dente, per the package instruction. And finally, turn off the heat and ladle this into a bowl and top it off with chopped green onions, cilantro, and a generous amount of black pepper. And there you have it, guys, a delicious Vietnamese alphabet soup recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.